Hello guys, Mark Daniels here. Are you making money online with passive income in 2022? The world is changing dramatically, and if you're not taking advantage of the passive income, then this is going to affect your financial future. So what is it to do? US News: high inflation to stick this year, denting a global growth. World Economic Forum: gloomy outlook for global recovery. IMF slashes US and China growth forecasts. Forbes: US lost over 60 million jobs. Now robots, tech, and artificial intelligence will take millions more. So the world is changing. Either you can change it or somebody else might change it for you. And the last thing you want is for somebody else to change it for you. But first, I'd like you to change that color of the like button from white to blue by smashing it. This is going to help the channel, and I would really appreciate it. Now that we got this out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. The question that most people ask is there a way to make money online using passive income in 2022? The answer is absolutely yes. Now I'm going to show you the same strategy that I used in the beginning when I first got started, but now it's much easier to use it because technology has came a long way. I'm going to show you the tricks and tips of how to make passive income in 2022 utilizing the power of the internet. There are two ways you can make passive income online. One of them is through investment. In other words, you just put some money up front and you put it to work. You can do it through some apps, and I covered that before. The other strategy which is called activity-based passive income. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Most of the videos that you see online, they just talk about how to make money passively through investment, whether in 2020 or another year. It really doesn't matter. What they talk about is how to make money through investment. In other words, you have to put money, maybe saving some money, then making some money maybe in like 50 years or so. That's not what I'm talking about in this video. I'm talking about how to make money within 24 hours passively without paying anything up front. If you're not making money while you sleep, you'll work till the day you die. Warren Buffett. I can guarantee you this is haven't seen before, because most of the videos that you see about passive income online or making money through passive income is like the same old thing. Rent your room in your house, or rent your car, or become a writer and write a book. We all know these things just don't work. I'm going to show you how to sell anything online passively without a website, without hosting, without a sales funnel, and without qualifying for payment processing platform. Don't worry, I'm going to give you the platform that you need to accomplish this. But I just want to let you know that this platform is actually a sophisticated platform that you can start for free. And it's an email platform where you can actually do both things, selling your product through email. However, they'll let you have a lot of other things like building a mini website and much more. So I'm going to give you an idea. What is it that you can sell? These are actual product that people are selling right now. Like for example, this is a step-by-step guide to self-publishing, $39. Another one is how to repair a wig for $49. Another one is Canva template bundle, $79. Selling coaching, $150. Sell photos, sell paid newsletter subscription, ebook, $29. This is just an example of what you can do. However, these are not the only thing that you can actually sell. I perfected this technique. I'm going to give you the tricks and tips of how you can sell someone else's product and make money at the same time. Now, you can do that through passive income affiliate marketing. What's good about selling someone else's product, because you're not involved in the customer service, you're not involved in the refunds, you're not involved in any of the headaches that is associated by selling a product. I'm not saying you should not sell anything. I think you should, but you can use that as well to multiply your income. Now, many people don't make money online because things are complex for them. But with this strategy that I'm going to show you, this is only take 3 steps. Step number 1, which is add your product and set the price. The second one is customize your product page to match your brand. And then after that, embed your emails for your audience to buy and get paid. And it also has an integrated payment processing with low transaction fee. So you don't have to worry about getting qualified or messing with these things, because that could be time consuming and a complex process. And you can have a free sales funnel. And the sales funnel is so easy to set up that you can see all your sales on a simple dashboard. For some reason, a lot of the people that you see on YouTube talking about how to make passive income in 2020, they just don't mention these things, maybe because they just don't know, or maybe they just don't know. I also mentioned to you that you can sell someone else's product. You don't have to sell your own product if you don't want to. And I'm talking about selling affiliate marketing passively online. Now you're probably wondering, how do you do that? Well, don't worry about that, because I already have lots of videos on my channel, and you can go in and find out the tricks and tips about how to do it exactly. But I'm going to tell you that there are some important things that you need to know. Like any other platform, as you already know, most platforms don't like you if you are just pushing affiliate marketing out there. There are a lot of affiliates who are just spamming left and right. So word to the wise, make sure that when you are setting up your affiliate products on this platform, make sure you are not just spamming and putting affiliate marketing in every single email, because this is going to be a problem. You're going to receive a call from them and they're going to ask you, are you just selling affiliate marketing? If you said yes, they're going to, of course, shut down your account. And I don't blame them, because you have to create some kind of a content. And I would not worry too much about the content, because in the videos that I show you in my channel, you're going to see a lot of ways of how you can do it and benefit from it very quickly. I know many people are very concerned about, how can I learn all this? Well, you can do it in two ways. If you want to learn the tips and tricks, you can just watch all the videos that I have. Now, there's other things that you can do. This platform is so good because it has a lot of videos, a lot of training, and also it has a community where you can just ask questions and many people will be happy to answer your question. Again, I just want to give you an advice, and please pay attention to that, because if you want to sell someone else's product, like selling affiliate marketing passive income, you can do that. Just make sure to watch the videos that I have. In case you cannot find them, let me know. I'll show you exactly which one you need to watch. The second thing that is so important is the traffic. I'm going to show you the traffic that I use, and I use it for myself and my clients, and you can use it the same way. It's a targeted traffic within 24 hours. This traffic will really get you going very quickly without you doing hardly anything. I'm also going to leave a link in the description. Don't worry about support and things like that. As long as you are a member of this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. We'll be happy to answer your questions. If you want to learn how I make $777 utilizing passive income in 2022, click here. If you want to learn more about how to make passive income utilizing both strategy, which is investment strategy, and activity-based strategy to create and make more money online, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.